Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today's video will discuss 5 easy steps to leveraging Salesforce automation. Salesforce automation is a powerful tool that can save your team time and increase productivity by streamlining your sales processes. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Understanding your sales process. Before implementing Salesforce automation, you must clearly understand your sales process, including the various stages, tasks, and key performance indicators. Analyze your current sales funnel and identify areas where automation can help improve efficiency and reduce manual work. Remember that a well-defined sales process is the foundation of effective automation. Step 2. Select the right automation tools. Salesforce offers various automation tools like Process Builder, Workflow Rules, and Apex Triggers. Each tool serves a different purpose, and understanding which one is best suited for your needs is crucial. For example, if you want to automate simple tasks like updating fields or sending email alerts, Workflow Rules are your best bet. On the other hand, Process Builder is ideal for creating complex, multi-step processes. Step 3. Setting up automation rules. Once you've chosen the right tool, it's time to set up your automation rules. Define the criteria that will trigger your automation, such as the stage of a lead or the value of an opportunity. Then specify the actions to perform when the criteria are met, like updating fields, creating tasks, or sending notifications. Remember to test your automation rules thoroughly before deploying them to ensure they work as expected. Step 4. Monitoring and adjusting. After implementing your automation, monitoring its performance and impact on your sales process is crucial. Evaluate the efficiency of your automated tasks, and keep an eye on key metrics like conversion rates and sales cycle length. Adjust your automation rules to improve performance and ensure your team gets the most value from Salesforce automation. Step 5. Training your team. Finally, ensure your sales team is well-versed in Salesforce automation and how it impacts their daily tasks. Offer training sessions, provide resources, and encourage them to embrace automation as a tool for success. A well-trained team will be better equipped to leverage Salesforce automation to its fullest potential. And that wraps up our 5 easy steps to leveraging Salesforce automation. By following these steps, you can streamline your sales process, increase productivity, and drive better results for your business. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.